Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Casey Liantos, the reporter's media literacy. So let's proceed. Learning outcomes. It means these are the goal to define, to explain us, to evaluate and use media literacy and to do research about it. So next is, what is media? Ano nga ba talaga ang media? By Lynch 2018, ang media daw po ay refers the electronic and digital. So it is any tool used to send message like printed image and audio and video or integrated contents. Next is, what is the media literacy? So, ano nga ba ang media literacy by Firestone 1993? It is the ability to access, analyze, and evaluate and create media. It helps us understand complex message and think critically. So, next is media literacy concepts. We have rules of media literacy. Kung baga, may rules din ang media, hindi lang sa tao, kundi sa social media. Okay, it help us to think critically and check if information is true. Tandaan nyo pa palagi, dapat i-check natin ang information kung palaging tama. Okay, and create media response bilang tayo maging create media responsibility and also understand how media shapes culture and society. So next is, we have social media. Ano ba ang social media? Social media tinatawag din po ito ni World Mark is a social media. It's sometimes called 2.0 website and apps there where people connect and share content they create them by self. First is, we have types of social media. First is news news we- news website. Sure. News sites share articles, video and like links. Second is social media networking. Ang networking daw po is connect us for our friends, work, or business. Next is media, photo, and video. Example is Instagrams. Aware naman po tayo ata sa Instagram. Okay. Pwede tayo dito mag-upload ng uh, photos or short video. Next is microblogging and blogging website. So, dito, pwede tayo mag-post ng short video or short update video, may kasama ng message. Ganun po. And lastly is review sites share. Dito daw po, reviews website. Pwede tayo mag-share ng opinions about product or services na pinuntahan natin. So, next is media and information literacy. So, or MIL, it is the ability to find, understand, evaluate, and use information responsibility and legally, ethically. So next is aspects of media information. It's or uh, it involves having right skills and right attitude and good knowledge about how media technology work. According, b- we have advantages and disadvantages. So, ano nga ba ang disadvantages and disadvantages ng social ay ng media? First is advantages is it it educate people, spreads news fast and show talents, increase knowledge, makes information easy to get help as business, entertains, saves costs, shares cultures, and connects people. Disadvantages, ano nga ba ang disadvantages ng media? Can make us lonely or less social media, easy to spread lies, rumors, and advantages, damage reputation. Next is integrating media. Integrating teach student to evaluate media, find the resources, compare resource, understand editing, and check ads and create their own content. Okay, we have media alter thought is given little classroom, tinatawag ng DMIL. There are 7K skills using the technology, finding resources, understanding social contents, doing research, publishing content, adapting to new teach, and thinking critically. So, approach where the approach is three ways, focuses on media arts, education approach, media literacy, and critical media literacy approach. Okay, Canada, we have three of Canada Center's digital media. First is by using rubric. Um, kumbaga, can use rubrics based on key concepts, check understanding, thinking skills, and technical ability. Yan po. There have a example of critical thinking. That's all. Thank you.